Hello everybody, and today we will be checking out the new Animal Company Backrooms update with
Backroom.
tablet.
Backroom, yes.
Yes. So we don't exactly...
I'm making a Backrooms Minecraft map.
We have the ceiling tile. Look at these items. We got the chair. Lamp. Tablet, look, it's a lamp.
Why did you get a lamp?
Because it looks cool. Why is the sun so...
Cool thing you'd ever want.
Alright, I don't know what to expect. Here. Take a...
Oh.
Wait, actually, no, never mind. Well, I missed that, whatever. You want a better weapon than that pickaxe?
If it's short, then no. If it's long, then yes. Don't take that out of context.
Someone will. Someone will.
Clumsy, if you're watching this, I'm gonna break your neck.
He doesn't even know.
No comment, actually. No.
You can
no
get
comment.
rid of that pickaxe.
Ugh.
You don't have to throw it at me.
Oh no.
Alright, I guess, Alright, so I don't entirely know, and this dude, I know he's gonna die, so... Get your ass over here. Actually, wait.
Are you seriously not gonna let me experience the
No,
whole...
Tablet, I'm gonna bring you to the entrance. I'm gonna bring you to the entrance.
Okay. I just clicked... That... I just hate my life.
No, that one actually goes off during impact, so you're good. Okay, viewers, I don't know where it's at. I'm thinking it's gonna be somewhere on the biolab path, so I'm just gonna fly, because why actually try and do it? There's a simpler way. I know it'd be more amusing, but...
My name is Ralsei. I'm a...
Shush. Shush.
These are my...
You aren't rousing. This isn't Dota Room.
And...
This broom's actually pretty useful.
God damn it, continue it. Screw you too.
Where'd that glow stick come from?
Oh yeah, viewers, I am Ralsei VA now for whatever reason. I don't know.
I highly doubt any of them know what that is.
Not really forced. I give...
So, tablet and viewers, I am assuming that the place is at the biolab entrance area where there was elevators. That's where I'm thinking it's at. Now, I could be entirely wrong. I'm gonna hope it's not somewhere like Creative Studio. Hey, Tablet, go check if the backrooms area is in Creative Studios. Did you hear me?
Mini update and have the whole thumbnail be changed. That would be stupid. Still checking.
Also, the thumbnail didn't change. If you're talking about the loading entrance, then yeah.
Argue with me if I do say something. Never mind. Where is the key and the...
Well, I didn't get the code, so...
Yes. 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 Yes.
Alright, and we're in. Now I'm thinking that's one of these. Oh.
I still doubt we'll be in creative studios, but I guess that's the look.
It's not here, tablet. Viewers.
I don't know if it's a threshold or you have to like find a way to no clip. I don't know.
No, now that I'm thinking about it, during one of the trailers for it, or teasers, there was actually a blue tape doorway. Anyways, I'm on my way back.
A video on like that, but I don't watch anything else, just the way to how to get to it, okay?
Didn't even bring a weapon with me, so it was kind of, I guess, good that it wasn't over here. Harpoon! Any info on where it's at so far?
Fox, I'm not even done watching the first short, and it's like 10 seconds. Calm down.
I'm sorry, viewers. This is taking so long. I don't mean for it to. We didn't plan ahead. We didn't know anything about the update. Where are you?
So I brought the lamp, don't ask.
Cool.
I'm going to...
What do you like? What do you think of my new flying invention? Pretty fast, right?
Let me guess, you got something faster.
Yeah.
Ow.
Look how fast it is close to the ground.
Whatever, follow me. Don't matter that they got rid of my boy.
Are you gonna want a hook shot?
Give me a goddamn hook shot.
Alright, I'll go back and get you one.
I'll be at the entrance.
I don't know where the entrance is.
Fox, we were going into the general direction. If you go, you'll find your way.
Fox, why did you do that? Why?
Cause I need to give you your hook shot.
You couldn't just,
Okay, I'm
actually...
Dude, you gotta get side slots, bro. You gotta save up for side slots.
Shut up.
Is in this?
No.
Oh wait, that's sewers, my bad. I haven't really checked out the entirety of it.
I knew it was sewers. I knew it was sewers.
Well, hey, I don't explore everywhere, too. Is it in here?
Are we going in here?
I don't know, are we? I guess we are.
Are we?
We better not have to go too far into this place. Ah! I came
What?
through and you hit me back in. So what, did we go down the
Here.
stairs?
I don't know. Wait. I only watched so much.
I'll check down here. Yeah,
Don't.
yeah. Get your ass down here. Get down here.
Okay. Where? I found a place. This goes on and on.
What are these sound effects?
I mean, it's the back rooms. It's misremembered. Oh my god, these are everywhere.
Milk? Oh, prune juice. Do you think we'll
This is way too.
I'll just put it in the
I'm scared.
Remember to stick with each other, Tablet. This is the back room.
Oh, you think I didn't notice? Oh no, we're just in a normal office building. I don't know what you're talking about. What's the back rooms? Of course we're in the back
Hey,
rooms. I don't know
Tablet,
why
get
you-
over here. I'm sitting on a chair.
No.
That chair was upside down, just so you know. Hey, you wanna see what
know.
prune juice does? Here, get a
Fox?
can of prune juice. Get a can of prune juice.
Can I get rid of this? I swear to God, I don't like
Yeah,
it.
get rid of it. Get rid of it. 3, 2, 1.
I found another place. I found so many places, fuck.
Tablet, I saw that and then you did, so chill out.
Fuck,
Also,
did I
this
say
chair
I
is
found it
floating. And that's correct.
first? Fuck, this is the more yellow hallways. I got dibs on this. I guess not. I call dibs.
You don't want the umbrella?
What's the camera? What does this do again?
Oh, you have to take pictures of stuff for it to actually do something.
Fox, I am finding so many places today.
Hold on, wait, we still gotta explore around here. There might be more stuff. And I feel like there's gonna be some sort of stupid
Fox,
thing.
I don't like those noises. Ah, I don't like that thing.
Well, yeah, let's go to that other section. Yeah.
Fox, that is not yellow hallways, but okay. I'm scared.
Is that supposed to be what I think it's supposed to be?
Gorillas.
Oh my god, we're here. We're at Pitfall. Wait, Tablet, down here, there's a crate. Perfect. Another grenade. Tablet. 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 Tablet, come here.
Fox.
I got you another weapon. Also, get rid of the
Okay,
camera.
Fine, let me at least take a photo.
You hold.
Oh, that doesn't even work.
You hold trigger.
Well, let me
Anyways.
try it out later.
Come here. Come here. Come
Yeah.
here.
Did you seriously have to?
Take the Hulk fist. Take the Hulk fist.
Okay, okay, let me get up though. If you get mad at me for getting up,
Hey, grab onto the pillar thingy.
There we go.
Take the Hulk fist. And then I guess we'll just grapple up this. Viewers, we really don't know what we're doing. Where are ya? There's doorways around here. I think I can make this jump. Tablet, come here. There's a door. We gotta open the mysterious...
You're not going through that. Ain't no way.
Well, I guess let's just look over here. Tablet. Tablet, keep trying the doors until one works. Or find a hallway. Viewers, are we doing something? I wish this was a stream so I could just look at the chat. Water? Alright. Tablet, tablet.
Fox, I just heard.
Tablet, go back down to the ground. Go back down to the ground.
Fox, they're shoving. What was that?
Tablet, I found where we need to go, but there was a thing. I don't think it was friendly. Go back to the giant pillar staircase thing. Hello. Down in. Oh. Tablet, come here.
What the hell was that?
Drink a prune juice. I think these are sanity. Alright? So grenades? Screw grenades. If you see prune juice, get it in your backpack.
What backpack?
You have a backpack, you remember?
Okay.
But look, down here. Prune juice. Guess we're at the pool rooms now.
The water just stopped?
So, which one do you want to go down?
Red is always good and blue is always bad.
So does that? Do we split? No, we don't split up. We go down carefully. Yeah. I wonder what the exit does left. Over here.
And you guys, stuff about like already established games having like the backrooms added, it'll always get something right, but not all of it. It'll just
I don't trust it. I don't know if this is real or not.
You seriously think you got confused for a second? There's no way this. Nope.
First time we've seen a dead body in our company.
Well, at least you know people have been here. People still live here, if you get what I mean.
Leads us back to here. Let me know if that weird guy starts showing up again, because whenever that happens, we need to drink a prune juice. And none of these doors are actually... Wait, this door has a light next to it. Does that mean it will open? Hey, tablet. Go down there and grab whatever that is down there.
If I die, it's on you. Oh, some prune juice and a Coke.
Can't drink Coke.
Actually, wait, I'm gonna...
Viewers, I am sorry we are just randomly roaming. Tablet, over here.
Whatever spider animal does. What do you think it is?
Let me in. What if I do touch it? What if I do touch it?
Here, Fox, how about this? We slowly and surely go down the blue slide and see what happens.
Oh yeah, there was a second slide. Prune juice. You need a prune juice? I just have
Oh,
to
it's
think.
gonna come. It's gonna come. It's gonna. Ow!
All right, yeah.
Go.
Here, drink a prune juice. Drink a prune juice. I don't know if those actually do anything, just so you know. I'm just hoping they do.
Ow!
Those don't do damage, they just knock you back really hard. Oh, damn, we got some good loot here.
Why?
Now I can pull items from far away.
This just leads back to the yellow slide.
Well,
So how
maybe
about
there's
this? We go
another.
back.
Ah. No. Alright. You go down. I want to see.
Oh, wait,
what
now?
You go down. I want to see what it looks like when someone goes down.
Wee! Ow!
Hey, tablet. Get ready to quickly grapple onto one of the walls. Grapple, dude, grapple! Prune juice. Let's... Oh, tablet. Oh, behind the door.
Behind the door, ah, yes.
Through the
This
wall I
happened.
come.
Go! Why is my heart still beating? I hear my heart. What is?
Wait, everything's just more pale. I didn't take. Tablet, look at your health bar. Did you
Wait.
take damage from that?
Yeah, I think.
Right, try punching me. Right, yeah, I'm taking damage. Alright. Just get ready to run quickly. Ow! It's dead. Oh my god, there's two! There's two!
There's two of them?
Yeah.
Do I have full health, or is that not how it works? No.
No, you need. Oh my god. Tablet, kill me real quick.
Okay.
No, I need you to revive me.
What the hell happened?
Alright, let's reset.
Well, that was stupid.
Yeah. I think that's gonna be it for this video, so we will see you